This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's Thursday. I believe this is the last day of March. It's today the 31st, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's the last day of March. So tomorrow's April. It's cooler. We did get some rain, but not a whole lot. Certainly not enough. I have a story to tell about little Mia. Actually, my friend Brigitte named the cat, not Kitty, but Mia. And there's another huge story to tell about what happened yesterday and who the actual owner is, although it's not really the owner, but that's my opinion based on observation. But anyway, I'm going to save that story for a separate video on the story of Mia, okay, who the so-called owner calls Lola. Okay, we'll save that for another day. Right now, I have no birdies on the field. Everyone seems to be hiding away. Let me do a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 40 birds. We're constantly missing birds. There were close to 50 2 weeks ago, and now we're close to 40. So anyway, I'm gonna get down here. Peanuts out here for them. Looks like they finished some off here from this morning. Here. There we go. We'll put in there. Put this down right now, and put that down there. And it looks like they're getting a little impatient, so I'm gonna put down this food right now, and yeah, and we'll see who comes down. Don't see any seagulls today. Don't see any seagulls. There they come. There come my little crows. There comes my little crows. Look at them. Oh, they're so nice. Okay. We'll put a little bit of walnuts here. We got a little bit of walnuts. There you go. Hey, walnuts have come down in price. $1.99. They were $2.59 for the last month or two. And now they're $1.99. That's a huge break, but that's only a special sale. We'll put some seed here on the open spot there, and then put half a bag there, and then I'll put a half a bag where the sparrows are. There's a little bird fight there. Wow. See, that always causes chaos when the birds fight. But they never hurt each other. Maybe in extreme cases. But they have enough food here, so it's just about, dominance. One over the other. So here we have a little bit of grain. It looks like whatever birds were here this morning ate it, and the rest were put down for the thing is, every time I look at when the crows are fighting, they get very disturbed. As long as my back is turned, it's it's all right, but as soon as I watch them, they don't like that. It's funny, isn't it? So we'll let them go back to their little feeding, and and I'll go and put some seed down for the sparrows. I still haven't seen Charlie yet. Didn't see Charlie in the afternoon. I thought I saw Charlie in the morning, but I'm not 100% sure. But he also didn't show in the evening. So I hope he's okay. You say it's always a problem here. You know, birds. Yesterday, son went through oatmeal. I found it this morning. I saw the birds eating it last night when we were looking for Charlie. And it looks like they, unfortunately, ate most of it. Usually people put poison in oatmeal. That's a favorite way of poisoning birds for the bird haters. They do that. So, oh, they ate all that up. So we'll put some more down for them. You see, there are not many birds here right now. Don't see Charlie. I don't see Charlie, Papa.
I haven't seen Charlie yet.
No.
She's out there in the field.
No, I haven't seen any birds that look like Charlie out there.
I'll give you the bag of stuff. How about that? He might come to you. I don't know.
Well, I got a pocket here full of stuff.
You got stuff in your pocket?
Maybe you should put some in your pocket. No, I have it already in my pocket.
There's stuff here for him anyway.
Yeah.
He's going to show up or he's not going to show up. I don't know what.
You know, there were less birds this morning, but someone threw down oatmeal yesterday, and I have to say, it doesn't look good. Unfortunately, most of it was gone. So, but I don't know why Charlie's not here. Here, I'll give you this.
Yep.
Okay. Here we have a couple crows, but no Charlie. Charlie's not coming down on the electrical box. I have no idea. Maybe Charlie got enough to eat this morning. I don't know, but he still usually comes down to get a little stashy. So I always worry when Charlie doesn't show up at least once a day. So hopefully he'll show up at noontime this afternoon. We'll see. No Charlie. You know what's weird is that there are no birds over in that tree over there where Charlie used to sit. Of course, now he's kind of moved over to the shopping center. Now you have your seagulls. But yesterday there were a whole bunch of birds on the Say Park. But of course I saw, you know, the Thai, the janitor wandering around, and you know they're afraid of him. So. Ah, there's the giant gull. Look, he's eating there, all by himself. That's amazing. Still showing up there. There's the other one. There they are. Amazing. Oh. Asshole. EMS. We'll have to look them up. We'll have to look at every time that big tractor trailer EMS walks by, they do that. We're gonna look them up, EMS, and we're gonna write a nasty email to them. Every time they come by, they do that. And that just doesn't work for me. Okay? Does not work for me at all. No Charlie. I have to say, here we have another firecracker here, as you can see. Remnants all over the field. By the way, the farmer, when he cultivates this grass, he picks these up in his thing, and then they get thrown down for the cows. Okay? The cows can ingest them and then die. So that's how it works. A lot of cows die here in Switzerland due to the plastic and so forth that's on the fields. They even post signs saying not to throw trash on the agricultural fields because it's gotten so bad. People are just littering rampant here. There are no littering fines in Switzerland, not that I know of. I've never seen any. And people here litter here like just, it's unbelievable. So, I mean, especially cans of, you know, whatever.